Hi friends, this is yours Srinivas. Welcome to SS Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss extension of polynomial. The topic is nothing but remainder theorem. Yes, most of the students are somewhat confusing about remainder theorem and factor theorem. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, remainder theorem. Yes, I remind to you have to practice more times. Maths makes man perfect. That's clear. So that remainder theorem is nothing but p of x is any polynomial. It is having degree greater than or equals to 1. For suppose this p of x is divided by x minus a, one factor, then the remainder should be p of a, is called remainder theorem. Once again, p of x is any polynomial. Yes, any kind of polynomial. Its degree is equals to or greater than or equals to 1. Okay, but suppose x minus a is divided by p of x, then the remainder will be p of a. This is called remainder theorem. I have a beautiful proof is there. Now I am going to do the proof. Let us see. For example, solution. Proof. Friends, yes, p of x is any polynomial of degree is greater than or equals to 1. For suppose x minus a is divided by p of x, then the remainder should be, I am going to take r of x. Now I am going to take the remainder should be r of x. I am choosing. You know very well divisional algorithm. P of x is equals to g of x into p of x plus r of x. It is all are there in our real numbers chapter. Divisional algorithm. Yes, very important theorem. Simple, in our old method, Vinayaka method. What is the dividend? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient. Dividend equals to divided into quotient plus remainder. Then it is called, for example, you see, this is our Vinayaka method. Yes, this is our Vinayaka method. Let us see, friends. Yes, this is called dividend. This is called divisor. This is called quotient. Now down part is called remainder. Yes, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then this is called, simply we can say that traditional division algorithm. Now we can consider this same phenomena here. Dividend is nothing but p of x, divisor is nothing but g of x, quotient is nothing but p of x, remainder is nothing but r of x. Now I am using here, let us see. Yes, now here p of x is, you should write as is polynomial, g of x is nothing but, which is divided, that is nothing but divisor. Now q of x, quotient, plus remainder is r of x. I am choosing here remainder r of x like a r only. Now remaining terms you have to write as it is, dear friends, x minus a into q of x. Yes, very important point. X minus a is a dividing term, divisor, which means in the place of x we have to substitute equals to a. Is a divisor, means factor. Now in the place of x equals, we have to substitute equals to a plus a. In the place of x I am substituting a and a minus a into q of a plus remainder r. You remember a minus a nothing but 0. 0 into q of a, 0 into q of a, 0 plus r. So p of a, now p of a. Yes, remainder is nothing but p of a. Yes, we got it. Remainder should be p of a. We got it. Then it is called remainder theorem proof only. In the place of x we have to substitute which is a factor, then which means x equals to a, we have to substitute here. We should get remainder equals to p of a. Therefore, p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder should be p of a. Now this phenomena we should use now solving some beautiful questions. Let us see. Friends, let us see such a solved question. Let us see. Find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by x plus 2. Yes, Here keywords, what are the keywords and yes, yes, you got it. Now solution. Remember, it is a divider, it is a divisor. Now means x plus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 2. We have to substitute here in the place of x. Now p of minus 2. Now you have to write in sequence order given question. If x plus 2 is a divisor of p of x, then x equals to minus 2, you have to substitute here. Then you have minus 2. 2 of minus 2 whole to the power of 4, 6 of minus 2 whole cube plus 2 of minus 2 whole square, minus 2 plus 2. In the place of, I am substituting simply minus 2 only. Now let us see again. 2 minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Just I told you very clear, inside the negative sign, power is even, we should get positive. Inside the inside the negative sign, power is add, we should get negative only. Remember, negative sign, power is even, positive, plus only. 16 2 power 4, 16 minus 6. Inside the volume negative power sign, power is odd, we should get negative, means minus 8. 2 cube means minus 2 cube, not is 6 and 8. 2 cube power 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Now plus 2, here 4, here plus 2, here plus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2. 2 16 32 minus into minus plus 6 into 8 48, 2 into 4 8, here 2 plus 2 4. Sum of these all 92. Therefore p of minus 2 equals to 92. Got it? This is the polynomial, remainder is 92. When this polynomial, when divided by x plus 2, we should get the remainder is 92. Friends, let us see such a one more good question upon remainder. The question is, find the value of a if the polynomials, two polynomials are given. When divided by x minus, these two polynomials are divided by x minus 4, then leaves the same remainder. Now let us see. Good question only. See here. Given the process of solution. Now take let p of x. Already I told you polynomials are denoted by p of x, g of x, p of x, r of x, like that. Now let p of x equals to first polynomial ax cube plus 3x square minus 3. Now second polynomial denoted by g of x, nothing but 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Yes. Here, what is given keyword? Yes. Here p of x and g of x, these both polynomials are divided by x minus 4. Means then the remainder should be, then the reminders are same reminders. Remember keywords, then the keyword. Then the reminders are p of 4 comma g of 4 respectively. Friends, remember respectively. Yes, got it. I think yes sir, got it. Yes, x minus 4 equals to 0, divisor equals to 0. Then in the place of x we are going to substitute 4. Here x minus 4, x equals to 4. P of 4, g of 4. Then the reminders are same reminders only respectively. Let us see next. Now p of 4, a into a 4 whole cube. In the place of x I am going to substitute 4 only. Minus 3. Yes. Now g of 4, 2 into 4 whole power 3, 5 into 4 plus a. Right, my friends? Now already same reminders, no? Now a 4 to the power of 3, 4 into 4 into 4, 64a plus 4 square, 16 minus 3, 64a. Here 16 3 is 48 minus 3, 64a, 48 minus 3, 45. This is the value of p of 4. Next friends, g of 4, 2 4 cube, usually 64, 5 4s are 20 plus a, 64 2s are 128 minus 20 plus a, 128 minus 8 beta, 198 plus a. This is the value of g of 4. Okay. Now I should compare these two. We should get a value Now in P of 4, now we are going to compare P of 4 equals to G of 4. P of 4 value 64A plus 45. G of 4 value 198 plus A. I am comparing, friends. I am comparing two values. I have taken two. Now separate the like terms, which means 64A minus A comes here. 198 as is, 45 go to that side. Minus 45. Yes. What about 64A minus 1A? 63A. 198 minus 45, nothing but 63, right? 63. Now A equals to 63 by 63, get cancel. Now A equals to 1. This is your value. Got it? Simply we got it, friends. What I did, just recap it. Simple. Yes, given two polynomials I have taken separately. These two polynomials are having common divisor is x minus 4 divided by x minus 4. Then usually we should get the remainders are same only. In the x minus a is the divisor, nothing but x equals to 4. We have to substitute in the place of x in two polynomials. We are getting two values. These two values you should compare it. Now you have to separate the like terms. I am getting a equals to 1. Friends, let us check the answer. Check the answer. A equals to 1 and a. Substitute here. 64 into 1, 64. 64 plus 45, 109. Remember, 109. Here also, A value 1. A value 1 you substitute here. 108 plus 1, 109. LHS equals RHS. Our answer is correct. Friends, I hope that you have to understand such these model 2 questions along with the definition of remainder theorem. And I should give such a practice question about this theorem. You do practice, that answer I will post next our video. And till then you practice well, and please like and give the subscriptions to me. Thank you.